How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on iPhone. So if Messenger's floating video call is not working, then here is what you can do to fix it. First of all, open the Settings app on a mobile device, then tap on the General. Inside General, tap on the PIP Picture-in-Picture option available there. And once you tap on it, make sure that your Start PIP is turned on. So basically, PIP is a multitasking feature on iPhone that allows you to continue watching videos or stay on video call in a small floating window while using other apps. Once done so, simply open the App Store from your home screen. And once inside the App Store, in the search address bar, simply type down the Messenger and hit Enter. Now, once you search for the Messenger, simply tap on it. And if there is an update icon available, update it to the latest version. Or else, you can also simply delete and reinstall the Messenger app to refresh all settings and permissions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.